Shri Bhagwati presents Packing Conveyor. A packing conveyor is a type of industrial conveyor system used in manufacturing and packaging facilities to automate the process of packing and packaging products. It plays a crucial role in increasing efficiency, reducing manual labor, and ensuring consistent and accurate packaging. Packaging conveyors may include mechanisms for handling packaging materials such as boxes, cartons, bags, or trays. This can involve loading empty containers onto the conveyor or removing filled containers for further processing or distribution. End of line. At the end of the conveyor line, the finished and packaged products are typically collected for further processing or distribution, which could include palletizing, storage, or loading onto trucks for shipment. Packing conveyors come in various configurations and sizes to suit the specific needs of different industries and applications. They can be customized to handle a wide range of products, from small items like candies to large items like appliances. The level of automation can also vary, with some systems being fully automated and others requiring manual intervention at certain stages of the packing process. Ultimately, the goal of a packing conveyor is to streamline the packaging process, increase productivity, and maintain product quality and consistency. Thanks for watching. For inquiry, contact below mobile number or email ID.